everyone, welcome to our vlog today. And we are Seven Star. And today we are heading to Nam Dam. Let's go. Let's go.
Stupid heart, don't know. I tried to let you go.
Before going, let's take a break to eat fruit first. Ooh, very delicious. Very refreshes. Wow, very sweet. Wow. Juicy red. Wow.
My stupid heart, don't know. I tried to let you go.
Okay, now we will go to the play Nam Dam.
Too late, already on my way. If you hold down your flames, I'll get that new cup in my stupid heart.
Now we have arrived Nam Dam.
My stupid heart, don't know. I tried to let you go. So many times before. Then why the back
We will go to the top of the mountain.
already on my way. If you hold down your flames, I'll get that new cup in my stupid heart. Okay. Get the new big on my stupid heart. Too late, already on my way. If you hold down your flames.
Everyone will so beautiful. Hi Fred, have you can the other car?
How can I call so many calls?
But I can't go. Wow. Two, three. As the sun sets over Nam Dam, it's time to say goodbye. I hope today adventure has encouraged you to visit this freshwater paradise. Thank you for joining us and see you on next journey. One, two.
A few moments later.
Now we have arrived from Now we will to go to Everyone, so mula. Mula. Buffalo and take a shower. Take a shower. Wow. Take a shower. Don't not forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel adventure.